Got a new shift knob, and I hate it. It's too small. I thought it was gonna be way bigger than that. We got the new camera set up here, and we're gonna try them out at the same location, but this time, dry. What the hell is that noise? You hear that? I pulled over like 3 times now. I can't figure out what the hell that noise is. It's annoying as hell. Pump's coming up here. Jesus. Well, that's some testing for the suspension, right? Seems like we held together. Kicking up a lot of dust. We might have to leave earlier this time. Here we go. It's really dusty. A lot of dirt in my mouth here. Oh. Damn it. I think I lost my bumper. Okay. We're gonna have to let it cool down. Definitely have to let this beast cool down. We'll let it sit for a good while. That's my reservoir. Seems like it's gonna blow up anywhere else, but we'll let it cool down. So never open up these fucking radiator caps when it's hot like this. You'll burn the shit out of yourself. Just making sure there's nothing else leaking or anything. Looks like we're good. We definitely jumped that crest a couple times, so I'm glad to have gotten that footage. I pushed it harder today than I have in the past because I wanted to really test the suspension out. I hit that thing so hard. Jesus! I mean, the suspension looks like it's sitting pretty. I feel like I got some really good footage on that one though. I fucked up a couple times, but I was able to hit the turns a lot harder with this suspension. Like, I can feel the extra confidence. I'm gonna say it's definitely worth it to get gravel specific suspension if you do this kind of stuff a lot. The suspension was definitely able to outlast my engine, so that's good. Okay, we're gonna take off. I don't want a chance overheating again out here. I'm kind of far out in the boonies. On that note, have a good day. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you. Gotta keep my eye on the road in a future video.